Hello, SeasonalVantage Insiders, Alex here. So just want to do a walkthrough on the web-based database in the members area over here. So you can just head over to seasonalvantage.com and head in and log in to the members area. So in the members area, you should see this newly added web database icon or the link over there. Just click inside and you'll be brought into this web-based database. So this web-based database, okay, it is separated into either the bullish ETF, bearish ETF, bullish stocks, bearish stocks. It is actually exactly the same like from your spreadsheet data sheet, okay. It is just that I embed the data, okay, into the website. So you can see from here, right, it is basically exactly the same. You got the symbol, company, the open date, closing date, the percentage winning, okay. If you scroll down a little bit, okay, there's a scroll bar over there, okay, and the percentage win, number of years, number of calendar days, average profit percent, the sectors, and the industry. So this is exactly the same as your data sheet, okay. It is just embedded onto the website, okay. So of course, this web-based, it is especially useful for you if you are just on the go, okay. If you didn't download the data sheet, you're not using your local desktop or laptop, okay, you're on the go, all right, then this will be very useful for you, especially you just want to do a quick search on some of the stocks that you want to to select, okay. So for example, over there, it is embedded over there. So the number one, it is actually on the top, it is the bullish stocks. So scroll down further, it is the bearish stocks, okay. And then you scroll down, okay, then it is a bullish ETF, and then this bearish ETF. So this is how I classify them into four database over there. And the most used function for me, it is actually this search bar over there. Okay, so it is pretty similar to like an Excel spreadsheet, but there are some differences. This is why I'm doing this video. But of course, I think the mostly used, at least for me, it is actually this search button. So this is on the right hand side, okay, of the spreadsheet over there, okay. So you just search, okay, and by default it is actually symbol. So it is classified based on the header, okay, whether it's symbol, company, win percentage, and yes, okay. So if you want to search via symbols, right, okay, it is only here, okay. For example, you want to search, for example, our favorite stock, Nvidia, okay. Very commonly, you just search Nvidia and you just auto populate out. So for example, Nvidia, okay, so the 30th of October to 13th of November, that is the favorable date. Then you can, if you want to look through some of the details, you can just scroll through and see all this as well. Okay, so this is one of the most used feature for me. Another one, it is actually just take note, right? You can scroll, but it is not all the stocks. So you can see that there are 2.3K of records. Okay, so at the bottom right hand side, this is where you can scroll to the next page, okay, or to the end of the page. That's 23rd pages, okay. And if you want to go to different pages, you can just use these filters, okay, scroll bar over there, and the max is 100 per page. So by default, it should be 100 per page, okay. So that if you want to go through the individual page or one by one, okay. All right, and the fill, filter, and sort, right, okay, it is pretty much similar to Excel, but it is not that intuitive, a little bit different. So that's why I'm going through with you. So let's say, for example, by default, everything is present. It is shown here. Okay, so let's say, for example, the field, you don't want to show the company. Then you just uncheck this, okay, then the company name will not show. So only the symbol. So let's say you don't even want to show, for example, the percentage wins and years, right? Okay, you can just uncheck, okay? For example, percentage win and the number of years. So just uncheck, okay? Then you'll be gone. So it's not shown here. So everything, you want to show everything again, okay? Just show off you again and you are back to the default one. And I think let's go through the sorting first. Okay, sorting. So for example, some of you like to search, okay, the highest percentage win over here. Okay, so by default, percentage win number, not percentage win, is the average profit. So the average profit, okay, it is here, the average profit in percentage. So you can go to the sort, okay, and then you search, you take the average profit in percentage, okay, and then you put in descending order. Descending means it is 9 to 1. This is in ascending order from the smallest to the biggest. So it's 1 to 9, and 9 to 1, it is descending from the biggest to the smallest. That's what we want to see, right? The highest average profit percentage. So you check this. All right. Then you can see that actually based on the bullish stocks, okay, from October to December, this is everything for the whole full quarter. You can see that the number one stock, okay, that has the highest average profit percentage, it is actually this company called DDD, okay, DDD over there, and then which is DDD is actually, yeah, this one, okay, and the second one is actually BLNK, Blink Charging Corporation. So you can see over there, it is sorted here. All right, from the highest down to the lowest. So if you want to remove that, once again, just click on here and then just delete, and you're back to the default one. So for the filter one, okay, it is a bit different from the usual spreadsheet that you might be used to. So it's a little bit different. So let's say, for example, a lot of times we filter via the dates. Okay, so in this example, this is in the October. Let's say, for example, you only want to find dates. They are from the 10th of October to the 20th of October. 10th to 20th of October. All right, so just click on filter, right, and then add filter. Okay, so by default, it is symbol, okay? So we want to change to start on open. You want to find the date, right? 10th to 20th of October, okay? So it is a little bit more tricky, okay? So it needs more a few more steps to do that. So start on, it is, you can put on, no, it is after, okay, after 9th of October, because after 9th of October, it is the 10th of October, correct? So this needs some, thinking and logic. So start on date, it is after 9th of October, which is equal to 10th of October. After 9 is 10, correct? Then you add another filter, okay? And then start on open again. It is before, okay? Before the 21st of October, because you want to show until 20th, it is actually before 21st. So before 21st is actually 20th. So this date is going to show you, okay, 10 to 20th. So you scroll down to the last page, right? Second page, right? It is actually until the last one, 20th, okay? So first 20th, there's no date. So the last one, it is actually 18th. All right. So this is about all. So all in all, I think the most used feature, I think, will be the, I believe so, it will be the search bar. So for example, you want to, once again, just a quick search, okay, you want to go to the ETF, you can scroll down, to the ETF part, bullish or bearish, or you can use via the tag, okay, let's say, for example, the bullish ETF, let's say, for example. Okay, you want to see, okay, whether in the last quarter of the year, October to December, whether the semiconductor ETF, what dates are bullish. Maybe you can put SMH. This is the semicon. Okay, then actually semicon, it is from the 23rd of October. Okay, and then also in November is the 1st of November. Then for example, you want to check maybe biotech. Okay, XBI. Is it inside? Yes, this is inside. So it's from the 30th of October, okay, until 29th of November. Okay, the rest of the thing you want to sort, filter, show different field, it is entirely up to you. So with that, I hope this web-based database will be useful to you, especially if you just want to do a quick search or you are on the go where the usual spreadsheet, it is not with you. Okay, with that, thanks so much, and I hope you enjoy this web database. Thanks. Bye-bye.